Hey there, it's Olivia from Style Factory, the go-to site for business app reviews. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the Canva pricing plans and help you decide which one is best for your needs. Stick around and I'll also show you how to get your hands on a special version of Canva Pro that you can use entirely free for 30 days. Okay, let's get started. There are 4 Canva plans available: Canva Free, Canva Pro, Canva Business, and Canva Enterprise. I'll begin with Canva Free. Canva Free is, as its name suggests, Canva's forever free version. And despite this, it's surprisingly functional. You can use it to create designs that are very professional in appearance and look good both online and in print. The free plan includes access to 1.6 million Canva templates, nearly 5 million free photos and graphics, 5 GB cloud storage, and up to 20 uses of its premium AI tools. With these features, you can do some decent design work for no cost at all. And if you're interested in trying them out, there's a link to Canva Free in the video description. However, there are some significant advantages to be gained by using one of the Canva paid plans. Let's take a look at these, starting with Canva Pro. Canva Pro can be purchased for either $18 per month or $144 per year. The first difference between this plan and the free one is the greater access you get to premium assets: stock photos, videos, audio, and graphics. With Canva Pro, you can make use of an enormous range of additional stock photos and graphics, over 140 million. There are also more templates available on the Pro plan. Although Canva Free is pretty generous when it comes to templates, giving you access to over 1.6 million of them, Canva Pro gives you access to 3.6 million. Another important thing you get on Canva Pro but not on the free plan is more brand kits. Canva's brand kit feature lets you upload a logo and your own fonts and define a palette containing your brand colors. It helps you ensure that anything you produce in Canva remains entirely in keeping with your brand's visual identity. But while you can only create one brand kit on the free version of Canva, Canva Pro lets you work with up to 5 of them. You also get much more extensive access to Canva's AI features on the Pro plan. These include image generation tools, copywriting features, translation tools, and animation tools. A particularly useful AI feature included on the Canva Pro plan, but not its free one, is its Magic Resize tool. This lets you repurpose existing designs for different platforms really easily. For example, you can open an existing design and then use Magic Resize to automatically reformat it to suit different social media channels. Another key benefit of the Canva Pro plan is its background remover. On the Canva Pro plan, you get access to a background removal tool that makes it easy to remove the background behind the main subject in the image. The feature is really useful for creating headshot images for LinkedIn or thumbnail images for YouTube videos. You also get more file export options on the Canva Pro plan. Unlike Canva Free, it lets you download your designs with a transparent background or apply compression to them. It also lets you output vector-based versions of your work. Storage is another key differentiator between Canva Pro and Canva Free. With the free version of Canva, you get 5 GB of storage. This will be eaten up quickly by any large multimedia files that you add to the platform. Canva Pro gives you 20 times that amount in the form of a 100 GB storage limit. Finally, the Canva Pro plan gives you access to full support via email and live chat. You can only raise tickets about select issues on Canva Free. Okay, so those are the key advantages of using Canva Pro over Canva Free. Next up, a look at the Canva Business plan. But first, I just want to say that if you're interested in using Canva Pro, make sure you check out the video description where you'll find a link to the special 30-day version of its free trial. This is the best way to try Canva out. It gives you loads of time to get to grips with the platform and create lots of professional designs for free. Now, let's move on to Canva Business. The Canva Business plan costs $25 per user per month, or $250 per user per year. But what does it offer over Canva Pro? Well, the first key advantage that Canva Business has over Canva Pro involves user limits. While Canva Pro is designed for individual use, Canva Business lets you add multiple team members to your account. It also lets you work with considerably more brand kits, 100. This is great for designers working with lots of client brands. Another important advantage of the business plan is its better workflow management features. Although Canva Pro lets you share projects and collaborate on them with other users, the options for doing so are relatively basic. Canva Business gives you much more sophisticated workflow management features. These let you add approvers to projects who can access, review, feedback on, and approve your team members' work. More advanced template locking tools are provided too. Finally, Canva Business AI allowances are double those of Canva Pro, and it gives you considerably more storage than the Pro plan too, 500 gigabytes. Okay, so that's a walkthrough of the key features of Canva Business. If you'd like to try it out, you can do so by clicking the special link in the video description. Last up, we have Canva Enterprise. As its name suggests, this version of the platform is pitched at large organizations. Unlike the other Canva plans I've discussed, Canva Enterprise lets you create multiple teams across one organization, allows you control which graphics team members can use, and provides control over which users can share work externally. Significantly, it lets you work with a huge number of brand kits, up to 1,000. It also gives you protection against intellectual property infringement claims, a single sign-on feature, and a dedicated account manager. There are also advanced reporting features on offer from the Enterprise plan. Its Design Activity Report lets you easily track the number and types of designs created, edited, and shared by team members. And finally, storage is plentiful. You get 1 terabyte on this plan, twice the amount provided by the business plan. In terms of how much all this costs, pricing for Canva Enterprise is customized to the specific needs and requirements of your organization. You'll need to contact Canva to negotiate a price for it. And that's that, our guide to Canva pricing. A reminder that if you check out the video description, you'll find links to all the available Canva trials, including a special link that gives you access to Canva Pro for 30 days. Before you go, we'd love you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. This helps us out and gives you access to all our latest Canva resources. And finally, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.